today we're gonna do monster truck racing. But you thought I only have one truck, but now I have two. You wanna see them go down?
Tell them their names.
Grave Digger and Maxie. And you can see them at the monster truck jam.
Cause you went, didn't you?
Yeah, but I didn't see Maxie.
Oh.
You wanna see them go down the slide?
Yep. Let's see who's gonna win. Woo!
Max D won.
Max D won.
Next round.
Next round.
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger won that one.
Final round. You win.
Grave Digger. Grave Digger.
Grave Digger won.
Grave Digger.
Now they're gonna play on
Roller coaster.
yeah.
Mm-mm-mm.
Whee. I want to do that again. Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna do it again.
Max D don't like riding Thomas too, huh?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yay. Hey, brother, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. That's my own seesaw. Can you do this side? Seesaw.
Yeah.
Seesaw.
There you go.
Yay. Hey, brother, that was fun. Let's go in the house.
Oh, this is too cute.
Hi. You're in the house.
Is this your house, James?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's race again. Are you ready? Here we go.
Wait a minute. Whoa, I missed that one.
Guys, my mom missed that one.
So we're gonna do it again. Oh, Bryceson, they look like they flew off. They must have wings. Really?
I can believe I can fly. Fly, can't fly. You want how to play date sometimes? Yeah, of course.
Hold on. Let me get it back on. Y'all had to sit down, y'all. Okay, go ahead. What you say?
You want to play some more? Yeah, let's do it.
Look like we're in the forest. We're in the front yard, Goof Troops.
I'm hot, brother. Yeah, let's take a rest.
Where you at, Jane?
Huh?
Where you at?
Right here. So beautiful watching the sun.
Come over this way so I can see you. Okay.
Oh, hi, Tiffany Brooks.
Hey.
You want to play with us?
Sure. But it's hot. Can mommy sit right here and play?
Yeah. Let's play Duck, Duck, Goose.
Okay.
Duck, duck, duck,
Don't get too close.
goose.
Okay, I gotta run after you.
Ah,
Got you.
oh,
Oh, my bad.
I'm in the stinky pie. Now it's Mommy's turn. It's your turn.
Okay. Scoot back some. Okay. Duck, 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 goose.
I got you.
I'm sitting down. Target play.
Now it's my turn. Duck, duck,
Ooh, Bryceson, we got
Duck,
you on the
duck.
camera. Tell Goof Troop what you ate. Some
I,
hash browns with ketchup, and you got it on
No.
your shirt, huh? Oh, you didn't have ketchup on, what's that?
that's
Spaghetti
ice cream.
sauce?
No, that's ice cream.
Ice cream.
Uh-huh.
No, it's not.
Oh, you tapped me. They're playing with you. Mommy.
What, baby?
Bye, Goochers. Just sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Bye.
Say it again,
Bye.
Bryceson.
Bye, guys. You better hit that bell for you good subscribe. And if you want to watch more videos, click the side of the screen. Bye.
Yep, click the side of the bell. Good job, baby.
Bye.
Y'all, it's a beautiful day out here.
Hug.
Are you giving them a hug? Give Blue Troops a hug.
Hug.
Mwah. Bye, Blue
Goodbye.
Troops. Adios. Adios.